my first reason, your neighbors will love you. What's up guys? Today I'm telling you the reasons why you should always, first thing you should do is straight pipe your car. Number one reason. I got Cam with me. I think Cam has it's a very valid, well-spoken reason.
My reason is because
pretty well spoken, pretty dare I say loud.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh, well that's that's Alberto. That's Alberto. If you got perfect timing. If you guys watched my video where I drove the Lambo, that was the F-Type you saw back there on the truck. That was my friend Alberto. He has an F-Type SVR, and that was him honking the horn and doing the siren and all that stuff. That's perfect timing. And I was going to say he messed up my video. I thought there was a cop like telling us to leave or something.
Here we go.
I was going to say, here we go. But anyways, I thought this out. A really good reason because, you know, I only have cats in my car. I don't have any mufflers. I don't have headers. I don't have headers. You gotta have headers. I have headers and stock cats, and go straight pipe out the back. So a really good reason I thought about it is because I mean, I don't know why you can argue. You can't argue with these reasons. I mean, these points, these aren't even reasons. These are laws. These are facts. Things you have to do. But you have to do this to you. You have to strap up your car. And number one reason is because if you guys enjoyed this video, it's a different video for me, a little bit of humor and whatnot. I came up with while I was at work and I was actually peeing and I was like, I gotta do this video. And so, yep, that was yesterday. And so you are seeing that vlog, where I came up with that idea. You're seeing that vlog. You should have saw that beforehand because I'm gonna edit that tonight, put that out before I put this video out. But you guys should subscribe, comment, share, like. If you subscribe, you have to hit the bell icon to make sure it says always notify. And we will see you in the next freaking video, or I will see you next video. I don't know if Cam's gonna be in the next video, but there you go.